The second part, components of electrical power systems. We have to get to know there are 7 components of electrical power systems. Component 1, electrical generation plants, thermal stations, coal, natural gas, solar are burned to heat water in large boilers to produce water vapor at high temperatures and high pressure, where the mechanical energy is converted to electrical energy and its efficiency reaches to 30%. In this picture, you can see a thermal station located in Morocco. 4 units with 150 megawatt. It uses coal and heavy oil for burning. Hydroelectric stations. Water energy generated from waterfalls and dam is used to manage turbines, which are renewable and clean sources of energy. You can see in this picture a hydroelectric station located in Canada with 80.5 megawatt in 16 units. Gas turbine stations depend on the use of gas from consumption of gas fuels and characterized by low cost and efficiency of 50%. You can see in this picture a gas turbine station located in Germany with 427 megawatt with 2 units. It uses natural gas for burning. Diesel stations. They depend on the use of consumption gases for diesel fuel and is characterized by relatively higher gas costs. Like in Palestine, Gaza Strip. If you can see in this picture, you see 120 megawatt capacity with 1 unit. It uses diesel for burning. In nuclear power stations, is the energy generated by controlling fission reactions or atomic fusion and used in nuclear power plants where water is heated to produce water vapor that manages the turbines. It accounts for 13 to 14% of the world's total electricity produced. But we have very important things we have to know about nuclear power stations. General concerns: difficulty in disposing of high radiation waste, high costs for building a reactor. In this picture, you can see a nuclear power plant located in USA. 1 unit with 1,152 megawatt and another 1 unit with 1,130 megawatt. Solar energy is the energy emitted from the sun and converted to electrical energy by solar panels, composed of photovoltaic cells, and is made of semiconductive materials such as silicon, a source of renewable and clean energy including 3 types: monocrystalline silicon, crystalline silicon thin film. In this picture you can see a solar thermal power plant in Denmark with a capacity of 12 megawatt. Wind energy is the energy used to generate electricity where wind to move the fans of air installed on the mills and work to charge the generators connected to the power transmission through the wire and pipes to homes. It is a renewable source and clean energy. In this picture, you can see a wind energy power plants in Denmark. 2 units with 80 megawatt.